These past few days have not been good for the trans community in the UK, and especially not for trans women. Um, I'm not a part of it, but I've got friends who are, and this is going to affect them heavily. I've written a petition for this. It's in the description for whoever sees this, if anybody sees it. But please go sign it. Um, it's not much, but it's all that I can do, and it's better than nothing. So I'm just gonna read the petition now. Trans women have suffered a loss of rights this week, as the UK Supreme Court has ruled that the legal definition of a woman is based on biological sex, accompanied with the patently false claim that sex is binary. Not only does this new ruling severely infringe upon trans women's identity, but also disqualifies them from sex based protections, displaying the utter ignorance of the UK Supreme Court on how misogyny affects trans women. Furthermore, trans women with a gender recognition certificate are also disqualified from classification as a woman. This is entirely hypocritical. The purpose of a gender recognition certificate is to recognize that gender. Oh my god. Moving on. This is already a grievous infringement upon the rights of trans women. But it could very well be a springboard into further discriminating against trans women based on the bigoted and discriminatory responses this ruling has received. It's the casual transphobia is insane. All the news articles are quoting blatantly bigoted organizations such as the LGBT Alliance and putting happy people cheering over on as the pictures for the headlines. The court strongly and clearly reaffirmed the Equality Act protects all trans people against discrimination based on gender reassignment and will continue to do so. But statements such as the ones made by Kimi Badenoch and Mims Davis clearly contrast this, clearly shows the actual direction, that the actual purpose of this ruling. The era of Keir Starmer telling us women can have penises has come to an end. This is a clear victory for common sense and should have never been taken a court case to prove the biological definition of a woman. That's not what it was, but oh well. Also, the fact that this new ruling has not impacted trans men at all has shown the true colors of this new ruling. Another effort in scapegoating trans women and pretending that it is progress. Just like how it always has been. So please, for society's sake, please sign this petition. And even if you don't, please, make some noise about it. Be pissed about it. Write to someone about it, because got no other words to say.